Back again. So now it is time to cook the sourdough bread. I just got it out of the fridge. It says you put it straight from the fridge into the oven. So I have to preheat the oven to 500, and with the Dutch oven in there. This is actually one of the things I do have is a Dutch oven, but if you don't have a Dutch oven, you can use a pot. You gotta season it, spray it, so we'll do that. Make sure that's good to go. And then I'm gonna put this in the oven while the oven is preheating to 500. And once it gets to 500, then I put the bread in. I just took this pot out of the oven. So it's been in the oven while it's preheating to 500. There was some oil in there to season the pot. So we're gonna put this in here. It says to score the top with a fancy tool that I do not own. So we're gonna score it with a knife, which just means putting lines down the bread. The top goes back in, and now I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 20 minutes at 500.